Good morning everyone. My name is Catherine Yubulatao from 3BT LED ICT, and for today's video, i-discuss natin yung plant training session na aking nagawa under Cookery NC2. Okay, so let's jump to the video. Okay, so in the first slide, kung makikita nyo, ito yung introduction ko with matching 3 pictures related in my qualifications. So, ayan, mababasa nyo dyan. Yung sector natin is for tourism sector. Qualification, title, it's Cookery NC2. And then, unit of competency, clean and maintain kitchen premises. And then, module title, which is cleaning and maintaining kitchen premises. So, ayan, it will be held on University of Rizal System, Taytay campus. So, in Taytay Rizal. So, here's my competency-based learning material under Cookery NC2. The second slide would be how to use the competency-based learning material. So, it says that, welcome to the module in cleaning and maintaining kitchen premises, which is the module contains training materials and activities for you to complete the unit of competency, clean and maintain kitchen premises. So, ayan. So, dito wini-welcome natin ang ating mga trainees and piniprepare natin sila sa kung ano yung magiging activities natin and yung matututunan nila from this module. So, ayan. So, the third one would be data gathering instrument for trainees characteristics. So, ito yung magiging guide natin para makuha yung mga basic information ng ating mga trainees. So, dito nakalagay yung kanilang age, kung saang ethnic group sila, kung ano yung na-take na nilang training or qualification. Siyempre, kailangan yun para matest natin or malaman natin kung ano yung mga basic or na-take nilang qualification under TESDA. So, ayan, ito yung magiging guide natin. Ayan, so, dadako naman tayo ngayon sa ating self-assessment check, which is dito natin malalaman kung ano-ano ba yung mga core competency na na-take na ng ating mga trainees. For example, itong sa akin, which is clean and maintain kitchen premises, naka-no siya. Bakit? Kasi ito pa lang yung ating i-discuss sa ating module. However, kaya kung bakit naka-yes yung iba, kasi we assume na ang ating trainee ay nakapag-take na or na-take na tong lahat. Itong lahat na naka-check. So, ganun siya. So, malalaman natin dito kung nakapag-take na ba, ano yung mga na-take ng ating mga trainees when it comes in our core competencies. Okay, so dadako naman tayo ngayon sa evidence or proof of current competency. So, dito natin makikita kung ano yung mga core competencies na na-take na ng ating mga trainees by having their proof or evidences like certificate of competency and then authenticated copy of certificate of competency. So, ayan, makikita natin dito na halos lahat ng ating core competency sa Cookery NC2 ay na-take na ng ating trainee, except dito nga sa ating module, which is cleaning and maintaining kitchen premises. So, ayan, na-submit niya. We assume that na-submit niya lahat ng proof of evidences na meron siya, na katibayan na nakapag-take siya ng ating core competency. Ngayon, i-discuss naman natin yung identifying training gaps. Okay? So, dito, kung mapapansin nyo, yung section ng clean and maintain kitchen premises ay nasa training gap. Sa tingin nyo bakit? Kasi, ito nga yung mapupunan pa lang natin. ito yung i-discuss pa lang natin sa ating mga trainees, and ito pa lang yung i-intake nila. However, yung iba, makikita natin na nasa current competency na sila, which is complete na yon, or ibig sabihin na take na yon ng ating mga trainees. Okay? Ayan, so dako naman tayo sa training needs, which is dito, ito yung naka-emphasize na dito yung training needs o yung kailangang i-take ng ating mga trainees. Halimbawa, yung training needs, which is clean, sanitize, and store equipment, clean and sanitize premises, and dispose waste, which is makikita or madidiscuss natin yun under cleaning and maintaining kitchen premises. So, ito nga yung module natin na nagawa at i-discuss pa lang natin ito sa ating mga trainees. Next is CBLM arrangement. So, dito natin makikita kung paano naka-arrange one by one yung section ng ating module. So, for example, ayan, module content, which is nasa front page, module content, list of competency, and many more. So, makakatulong ito para sa guide ng ating mga trainees, and at the same time, mamamonitor natin or madidistinguish natin kung nasa ang part na yung trainees natin. Kung nasa ang part na siya na na-take na or natapos na niya. So, makakatulong itong arrangement natin or yung illustration ng ating arrangement. Ayan. So, next we have is list of competency, which is nandito lahat ng core competency na nasa cookery and C2. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung clean and maintain kitchen premises is naka-bold siya or naka-emphasize. Kung bakit, kasi ito pa lang yung, kagaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, ito pa lang yung i-intake ng ating mga trainees. Okay? So, ito yung parang highlight natin. Okay? Next, we have the module content, which is clean and maintain kitchen premises. Dito, nakapaloob yung discussion or yung brief introduction ng ating module. Okay? So, nakalagay dito, unit of competency, of course, the clean and maintain kitchen premises. And then, dito, module descriptor. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, nandito yung description niya. And then, assessment criteria, which is nandito lahat ng learning outcomes. Yung tatlong learning outcomes natin, which is clean, sanitize, and store equipment, clean and sanitize premises, and dispose waste. So, nandun lahat nakapaloob siya. Kumbaga, brief introduction ng ating module. Slide would be the learning outcomes 1 to 3, which is clean, sanitize, and store equipment, clean and sanitize premises, and dispose waste. So, dito makikita natin yung mga content or pinapaloob ng learning outcomes. Bawat learning outcomes, may iba't ibang content yan, iba't ibang assessment criteria, may iba't ibang condition, and at the same time, assessment method. Ang assessment method, ito yung ginagawa natin or yung method na kung saan tinetest natin yung learnings ng ating mga trainees. Okay? Bawat learning outcome yun. So, the next slide would be the learning experience, which is dito nakapaloob lahat ng learning activities and special instruction to our learning outcomes. Each learning outcome meron ganito. This is the example, which is the learning outcome 1. Clean, sanitize, and store equipment. So, dito nakapaloob lahat ng kailangan i-take ng ating mga trainees na activities to show or to test their learnings about this learning outcome. Okay? So, tatlong learning outcome yan or tatlong learning experience yan. Pero, nandito lang is learning outcome for you to show the example of learning experience. Okay? The next one would be the information sheet, task sheet, or self-check, assessment, and answer key. So, ito, dito na natin i-discuss lahat ng learnings na dapat matutunan ng ating mga trainees. So, for example, ito, information sheet 1.1. Bale, ito ay under ng learning outcome 1. Okay? So, nandito rin yung ating self-check 1.1 for our information sheet 1.1, and then the answer key 1.1. So, bale ito, hindi ko na nilahat ilagay kasi medyo mahaba siya and madami. So, it would be information sheet na 9 information sheet, 9 self-check, and 9 answer keys in all. So, the next one would be the task sheet and performance criteria checklist. So, dito, bale dinidiscuss lang ng medyo specific ng konti yung ating naging information sheet. So, dito nakapaloob, nakasection na siya, yung ating steps and procedure, yung equipment, supplies and materials, and etc. So, when it comes naman sa performance criteria checklist, so, dito natin tatanungin yung ating mga trainees kung nagawa ba nila or na-conduct ba nila lahat ng procedure na kailangan to perform, and then naka-section siya into yes or no. So ayan, we make sure na lahat ng criteria natin is na-take na ng ating mga trainees. Okay? So, dako naman tayo ngayon sa table of specification. So, dito, yung table of specification natin is naka-section siya into 5 section, which is objective, content, and area, and topic, knowledge. So, dito naka-percentage na yung knowledge na dapat makuha ng ating mga trainees, comprehension, so application, and then the number of items or percent of test. So, ayan, bale ito, nakahati siya by learning outcome. So, meron tayong 50 minimum questions with answer keys. So, ayan, naka-divide siya into several counts. So, which is, nakahati din siya sa tatlo, yung 50 questions na yan. So, the next one would be the performance test and performance test criteria checklist. So, dito, i-discuss na natin yung specific instruction for the general performance ng ating mga trainees, and at the same time, nagbibigay din tayo dito ng specific instruction, and then dito naman sa ating performance test criteria checklist, dito naman nakapaloob lahat ng questions or criteria na pwede nating ibigay sa ating mga trainees, pwede nating i-make sure para lang masigurado natin na lahat ba ng specific instruction ay nagawa nila ng maayos, ng appropriate procedure. Ayan, so lahat yun nandito sa criteria. Ayan, so the next one would be the demonstration or performance test in each learning outcome. So, ito naman, naka-divided siya into 3. Kung ilan yung learning outcomes natin, okay? So, it will divide into 3, which is learning outcome 1 and 2 hanggang 3, okay? So, dito, meron tayong observation, and then pwede natin siyang i-mark as X kung nagawa ba ng maayos ng ating trainee yung ating observation. Yung nandito rin nakalagay yung materials and equipment needed para ma-perform yung hinihinging task, bawat learning outcome. And then, bandang huli, i-check natin kung satisfactory ba siya or non-satisfactory, kung nagawa ba siya ng maayos ng ating mga trainees or hindi. So, ayan, so the next one would be the questioning tools, which is dito nag-gather ako ng questions or ng tanong na pwede nating itanong sa ating mga trainees. as they go or as they undergo our module. So, dito natin madidistinguish kung may satisfactory response ba siya. So, sasagutin to lahat ng ating mga trainees, okay? And then, each section, naghanda ako ng tigpa 5 lang na question. Bali, in total, we're having 25 question for these questioning tools. Okay? So, i-check din natin siya kung satisfactory or non-satisfactory. So, next would be the model answer. So, ito yung mga responsive answer para dun sa 25 item question natin. So, ito yung magiging guide lamang natin kung paano natin madidistinguish kung tama ba or mali yung pagkakaintindi ng learners or ng ating mga trainees sa ating mga question earlier sa ating questioning tools. So, ayan, over 25 items din yan. So, ito yung mga question or yung mga answer rather dun sa question natin dun sa questioning tools. So, the last slide would be the inventory of training resources, which is dito nakalagay lahat ng resources na kailangan ng ating mga trainees to perform the activities needed to our module. So, nandito lahat ng supplies and materials, nandito lahat ng tools, equipment, print resources, non-print resources, and etc. So, dito, naka-inventory lahat. Makikita natin as a transparency kung ilang pieces, kung gaano karami yung kailangan ng ating mga trainees. So, ayan, nandito lahat. Kung makikita nyo, section by section siya. So, ayan lamang. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Muli, ako po si Catherine Yu Bulataw from TBT-led ICT.